Join me as I dive deep into the stock futures and try to make sense of the market trends that are about to shake things up. Stock futures are essentially a bet on which direction the market will move in the future, allowing investors to hedge against potential losses or capitalize on potential gains. Their importance in the financial markets cannot be overstated, as they provide a window into market sentiment and can significantly impact the overall direction of the market. The current stock futures market is characterized by high levels of uncertainty and volatility, driven by a range of factors including the ongoing pandemic, rising inflation, and shifting monetary policies. Many investors are struggling to navigate these challenges and are increasingly unsure of how to position their portfolios for the road ahead. As a result, investors are becoming more risk-averse and are seeking safe haven assets such as gold and bonds. This is leading to a decrease in demand for stocks, which in turn is putting downward pressure on the market. The situation is further complicated by the lack of clear direction from policymakers, who are themselves grappling with the complexities of the pandemic and its impact on the global economy. This has led to a significant increase in market volatility, as investors are forced to navigate a range of conflicting signals and indicators. As a result, even the most seasoned investors are finding it difficult to make sense of the markets and are struggling to stay one step ahead of the curve. In this environment, it's becoming increasingly clear that traditional investment strategies are no longer effective, and that new approaches are needed in order to navigate the challenges ahead. Investors need to be agile and responsive, and must be willing to adapt their strategies as market conditions change. This requires a deep understanding of the underlying market dynamics, as well as the ability to interpret complex data and identify emerging trends. Economic indicators are just one of the key factors influencing stock futures and can provide valuable insights into the direction of the market. By analyzing indicators such as GDP growth, inflation rates, and unemployment numbers, investors can gain a better understanding of the underlying health of the economy and can make more informed investment decisions. Geopolitical events are another key factor and can have a significant impact on market sentiment and direction. The ongoing tensions between major economies, for example, are creating significant uncertainty and volatility in the markets and are forcing investors to reevaluate their investment strategies. In addition to economic indicators and geopolitical events, market trends are also playing a major role in shaping the direction of stock futures. The ongoing shift towards online shopping, for example, is creating new opportunities for investors, while the increasing popularity of renewable energy is leading to a decrease in demand for fossil fuels. By identifying and understanding these trends, investors can position themselves for success and can capitalize on the opportunities that they present. But here's the thing, despite the many challenges and uncertainties facing the stock futures market, there is one thing that is clear: the market is on the cusp of a major shift. And this shift could have significant implications for investors, regardless of their investment goals or strategies. In fact, I believe that the market is about to experience a significant correction, one that could erase significant gains and leave investors reeling. This correction will be driven by a range of factors, including the ongoing pandemic, rising inflation, and shifting monetary policies. As the pandemic continues to spread, for example, governments and central banks will be forced to take increasingly drastic measures to contain it, which could lead to a significant decrease in economic activity. At the same time, the ongoing shift towards online shopping will continue to disrupt traditional business models, leading to a decrease in sales and profits for many companies. The implications of this correction will be far-reaching and will impact investors across the board. Those who are not prepared will be left behind, while those who are able to adapt and respond to the changing market conditions will be well positioned for success. So what does this mean for you, the investor? How can you position yourself for this correction and ensure that your investments are protected? In today's video, we've discussed the current challenges and uncertainties facing the stock futures market and have explored the key factors influencing market direction. We've also revealed a significant prediction that could change how you perceive your investments in stock futures and have emphasized the importance of adapting to changing market conditions. As we move forward, it's essential that investors remain vigilant and responsive and are willing to adapt their strategies as market conditions change. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on stock futures in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more financial insights and analysis.